Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to make neon glowing text events in Canva. After starting Canva, we can choose a template for creating a design. I will use presentation. Next, I want to make the neon effects obvious, so I select the background and make it dark, so I select black color. Next, we can go to left toolbar, we can find text, click, and then we can add the text box. Next, we can start to type. For example, I type text grow, and then I will click and drag the corner to enlarge it. I press Alt to enlarge it. I want to make it bold, so I press Ctrl A to select all the texts and then go to make it bold. Next, we can select the text box and go to Effects, and then we can find neon. Okay, so we can make a neon glowing effect. If you want to change the color, we can go to top option bar. We can find text color. Click, and then I want to change pink, and also we can change to blue. So if you want to customize the glowing effects, we can select the text again and go to Effects, and then we can change the intensity to brighter or dimmer. So this is how we can make neon glowing text effects in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.